Recovering deleted messages on Hulu can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a guide to help you retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check the Hulu app. Open the Hulu app on your device and navigate to the messaging section. Sometimes, messages may not be fully deleted and could still be accessible. Step 2. Review archived messages. Look for any archived messages within the app. Some platforms have an archive feature where deleted messages are stored temporarily before permanent deletion. Step 3. Contact Hulu support. If you cannot find your messages, reach out to Hulu customer support. They may have the ability to assist you in recovering deleted messages or provide further options. Step 4. Check email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled for Hulu, check your email inbox. You may find copies of messages or notifications related to your account activity. Step 5. Regular backups. For future reference, consider regularly backing up your Hulu account information or messages if the platform allows. This can help prevent loss of important messages in the future. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering deleted messages on Hulu. Remember to keep your account information secure and regularly check for updates from the platform.